If you are done with contacting different heating services, let us show you what Sam is planning on doing. He is going to become a heat plan customer at Gregor Heating. Why? Because he'll have complete peace of mind. He can call them 24/7, 365 days, and being part of the Heat Plan Club means he gets discounted rates on various products and services which Gregor offer. With directly employed, highly skilled DBS-checked professionals who deliver nothing but quality, becoming part of the Heat Plan Club with Gregor really is the best option. And what's even better is that the process is simple. He'll just contact the office to book a service and inspection. Once he completes and returns the application, a qualified engineer will complete his boiler's current service and carry out the inspection to check suitability. Sam will then pay for this service, which can be deducted from the first year cover after being accepted. Remedial works must be completed before being accepted, and the Heat Plan Pack will be sent out within 7 days of acceptance. So what else do you need? Be like Sam and call Gregor Heating Customer Services team on 0117 935 2400 or 01 225 738397. They have been keeping families warm and cozy for over 30 years.